Are you a Bank Nifty trader and wants to know what are the stocks that is giving weightage to Bank Nifty? Then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end. Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing good. So today in this video, what we are going to discuss is all about Bank Nifty. So what do you mean by Bank Nifty? So what are the weightage of Bank Nifty? What are the different stocks that is giving weightage to the Bank Nifty? So we will look into that in detail. So what is a Nifty Bank? The Nifty Bank Index comprises of the most liquid and large Indian banking stocks. It provides investors and market intermediaries a benchmark that captures the capital market performance of the Indian banks. And Bank Nifty consists of 12 companies listed on National Stock Exchange of India. So in order to trade the Bank Nifty, we need to understand what are the weightages, or what are the 12 stocks that is giving weightage to the Bank Nifty. And say for example, if HDFC Bank is giving more weightage to Bank Nifty, so if HDFC Bank is moving up, how the Bank Nifty will affect, if whether the Bank Nifty will go up or will go down. So that we'll see in detail. The Nifty Bank Index, which is also known as the Bank Nifty Index. So we will call that as an index. Why we are calling it as index? Because the Bank Nifty is consist of 12 stocks. So we are calling together as Bank Nifty Index. Is the index that tracks the banking sector comprising of 12 banking stocks. So in Bank Nifty, we have all the 12 banking companies, okay, banking stocks. The Bank Nifty Index was created by the NSE in September 2003. Why that is created means to gauge the capital market performance of one of the critical service sector in Indian banking. The NSE bank stocks chosen for the Nifty Bank Index were done for their free float market capitalization and includes private and public sector banks. The largest bank on Nifty Bank Index are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. So all these three banks constitute more than 50% weightage to the Bank Nifty Index. HDFC Bank with around rupees 9 lakh crore market capitalization and it holds 31.1% weightage for the Bank Nifty Index. ICICI Bank with rupees 5.9 lakh crore market capitalization. Axis Bank with rupees 2.6 lakh crore market capitalization. So all the largest three banks together constitute more than 50% of the Bank Nifty weightage. The movement in their stock prices affects the index value as well. Now we can see what is the lot size of the Bank Nifty. Lot size refers to the future and options contracts clubbed together for trading. So what is the lot size of Bank Nifty? That is 25 contracts grouped together. You can further trade in multiple lot size like 50, 75 or 100. Say for example, if you are trading 100 lots in Bank Nifty, means you are trading 4 lots in Bank Nifty. So per lot size is 25. Lots of derivative contracts standardize the contracts and helps the trader know easily the number of contracts being bought in a trade. Okay. Depending on the price and volume of the security being traded, lot size may differ. Now we can see what are the stocks that is giving weightage to the Bank Nifty. This is the company name, weightage and CMP, that is current market price. So the HDFC Bank that is giving more weightage to the Bank Nifty, that is 31.1%. Next is ICICI Bank that is giving 28% weightage to the Bank Nifty. Next is Kotak Bank is giving 12% to the Bank Nifty. SBIN is giving 10%. Axis Bank is giving 10.8% weightage to the Bank Nifty. So we need to understand what are the stocks that is giving weightage to the Bank Nifty. That is how much weightage that is giving to the Bank Nifty. IndusInd Bank is giving 3.6%. AU Bank is giving 0.7%. And Bandhan Bank is giving 1%. RBL Bank is giving 0.4%. Federal Bank is giving 1.3%. IDF First SB Bank is giving 0.9%. PNB Bank is giving 0.2%. Here I have logged into TradingView and I have added Bank Nifty, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. So today, that is Friday, that is 10th of March, Bank Nifty opened gap down. Okay, Bank Nifty opened gap down and made a low of 40,340. And when you see Axis Bank, that is also open gap down. ICICI Bank also gap down, HDFC Bank also open gap down. So likewise, how these particular stocks are performing, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and other banks I told in the Excel, right? So how these stocks are performing, that will affect the Bank Nifty. Here when you see after open gap down, the price didn't touch the high also. So all the three stocks, that is all the three banking sectors are weak today. Likewise, Bank Nifty also was opened gap down and after that was in the sideways till the end of the day. So when you are trading Bank Nifty, it is very important that you should track all these three banks or all the 12 banking sectors in order to understand the momentum of the Bank Nifty. So it will be easy for you to trade Bank Nifty like a pro. I have logged into nseindia.com, and when you click on this, here you can see the sectorial indices. Click on sectorial indices and now you have to click on Nifty Bank. Go to the stock watch. So once you go here, you can see how each bank is performing. You can see the overall view of all the banking sectors. So when you see all the banking sectors are in minus today, that is all the banking sectors are down today. Likewise, Bank Nifty also minus 770 points down. Okay, so I have put a video about how can we go to NSE and how to analyze the sectoral analysis. I will put the link of that video in the description box below. You can go to that video and you can check for the better understanding. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.